Welcome to Color World! Today we learn green. Let's go!
Look! A frog! A cute green frog!
The frog is green!
Green! Green! Green! Green frog! Ribbit, ribbit! Green frog! Look! A clover! A lucky green clover!
The clover is green!
Green! Green! Green! Green clover! Lucky green clover! Look! A cucumber! A crunchy green cucumber! The cucumber is green! 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 Green cucumber! Yummy green cucumber! Look! A turtle! A slow green turtle!
The turtle is green! 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 Green turtle! Cute green turtle!
Look!
Grass! Soft green grass! The grass is green! 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 Green!
Green grass! Soft green grass!
Green tree! Clover, cucumber, turtle, grass, all green. I love green. Goodbye, green. Green, green, what do you see? I see a tree looking at me. Green, green, what do you see? I see a frog smiling at me. Green, green, what do you see? I see a leaf dancing with me. Green, green, everywhere. Green is the color we share. Green, green, everywhere. Green is the color we share. Let's play. Find the green. Which one is green? The glass frog. Which one is green? The tree. Great job! Which one is green?
The broccoli!
You're so smart! You found all the green! You're a green champion! Great job today! You learned green! Goodbye, green friends!
See you next time!